Hi everyone, and thanks for watching CS Academy worldwide platform Computer Science. This is Sabihuddin Ahmed, and now today we are focusing on correction of errors. The structure is if, and I have divided this if structure into three segments. The first one is simple, second one is repeated, and the third one is nested if. So now moving on to the explanation part. So as far as the if, then else, and if statement, or you can say construct or structure is concerned about, you have to remember some rules before you proceed any further. First of all, if condition must be true, if condition must be terminated with end if if structure is used with a loop, it must be ended properly with end if statement. The fourth rule which you have to follow: if you want to count any values on the basis of condition if, it must be properly selected so that the count can be done category wise. That means if I am looking for any product, so I must keep this thing in my mind that I have to focus which thing, which item. So if it is that, so you can track the condition easily. Now moving on to the next part, which is regarding the syntax of the if simple. You will see basically we have divided this into three simple types, that is simple test, condition if, repeated test condition with if, and the nested test, or you can say nested if. Now simple syntax tells you about the structure, that how the condition is tracked. First of all, if, then condition, that means if, condition box, then statement, and then actions. If there are one action or many actions, then it will be terminated with else. That means you will bifurcate with the use of else, and then the next statement which will be used as an otherwise statement, and ultimately the last statement which is known as the complement. If complement is end if you forgot to put end if, what happens in the programming statement is that the program becomes vacuumed and the condition does not find where to end and which thing to track. So the example you can see, this is a simple if example. Now what you see here, I have just taken the example from the daily routine, that if let's suppose if you are talking about if I secure 70% marks, then I will be given a merit. That means I can just get a scholarship or something like that. So this is simple condition which is based only just on one condition. If percentage greater than equals to 70, that means I have not put the end clause over here that will restrict the limit. That is, if percentage greater than equals to 70 and percentage less than equals to 100, so that means it will variable, it will keep changing the value, it will keep accepting the values between greater than equals to 70, that means 71 till, that means 71 and more than 101. But if I put or sign there in between as a logical operator or, so this will start giving you the range, right, starting from 70 till 100. Now you can see if you fall in this category 70 greater than equals to 70, then you have seen that I have set the word and wrote the word set status equals to merit. That means merit will be assigned to this person who has secured 70% marks greater than or equals to 70% marks. And you will see the comments or remarks in a form of print statement, you got merit in exam. If you want to count how many times the percentage greater than or equals to 70, you will see count equals to count plus 1. Ultimately it should have been written like this: greater than is a simple condition and greater than equals to is something different. So you can track this condition in two different conditions. Then else statement, which will provide you the else default message if you go, or if the percentage goes wrong, or if it is invalid, that means not 70, 100 in a fractions. So you will see the default message which will alert you that you have entered something wrong, or you have not focused on this 70%. So that means if you are looking for if less than 70, then it should be cleared or pass. So ultimately I have put the else statement with this, that okay, if you're not securing 70% or greater than or equal to 70%, then you are pass, just pass, or the message will make you clear that the paper is cleared. The message could be anything. Now and if comes here, which is a complement again here for if. So you can see this, the statement comes over here and this is the complement. So now in this way you understood about the if condition, which is based on simple if condition. You are not extending the condition. So I hope you will like this. Thanks for watching.